Hi guys, my name is Faye. I know there are many guys out there trying very hard to make their girlfriends happy. But it seems like even though they put in a lot of efforts in it, it still doesn't seem to work effectively or efficiently. So today I'm going to share some tips and my own experience, and I hope it will be helpful to you. Firstly, is to plan activities that you both enjoy. I strongly recommend you to get a corkboard like this and a little box from any leftover package. I know some of you guys will say, oh, this is so high school kids, it's cliche. But no, when I first dated my boyfriend, I didn't know much about him. And we sort of get bored of going to a restaurant, having dinner and drinks. So we actually brainstormed a few activities that we both want to try, or I want to take him to, or he wants to take me to. And once we complete the activity, we put a date on it or some highlight on a memo and put it into this little box. So we have a lot of memories right now, like going to flow cycle together. Like he's been spinning for a while, but I never tried, so he wants to take me there. We want to go to museum together, and we want to delete Bumble together. And there's movie tickets. So you see the ideas. By planning out all the activities, all the first times, you are actually showing your willingness to bond and to have fun with her in the way she wants. And most importantly, you've created a series of activities that both of you are expecting to have fun with. You just need to execute it in the following month, and it saves you a lot of time and energy to investigate in where to take her to. Second, effective gifts. When people are in love, they always want to give each other gifts. My boyfriend have given me quite a lot of gifts. Some of them I'm like, but there are some that truly gives me a wow moment. And I'm sharing with you guys so you know how to pick a gift that she would appreciate. First, it's something she said she wants, but she didn't get it due to whatever reason. You all know about this, so I won't expand much on it. The only thing to pay attention is the timing, when to give her. I would recommend to give it to her when there is a thing to celebrate, like Valentine's Day, birthday, when she has her little achievement, or when she's been away for a while and just came back to you. By doing this, you're showing her that you listened and you want her to feel she's valued and admired on these special occasions. Second, something that helped her solve her problem. In my case, it's the ergonomic office chair. When I first started to work at home, I only had my laptop and I thought it would be fine just to sit at the dining table. But my boyfriend has an ergonomic chair and he knows that I have lower back pain from time to time. So he insisted to get me the ergonomic chair. It was around 100, not that cheap, but not too expensive. And now that I tried it, I have a whole new experience about how comfortable home office could be. So now I just can't stop telling people that my boyfriend is very smart, and I really appreciate that he thought ahead of it. So to summarize, it is a problem she has in life but she ignores, and you provide the solution to it. Third, pay attention to her lifestyle and pick one small thing to refill for her. This can be snacks, drinks, coffee beans, anything that's small. This is what I love. It's only 60 cents, but I have to drink it every day. My boyfriend knows about it, and he will just refill the fridge when it runs out without asking me. So every day when I drink it, it just reminds me how much my boyfriend pays attention to my needs, and he takes care of it with his action. The FMCG product is cheap, but your action is priceless. I know there are a lot of other things that will make a girl happy, but these are the ones truly worked for me. And if I have to put a priority on all this, it will be like this. 1. Effient. 2. Effient. 3. Effient. 4. Effient. 5. Effient. 6. Effient. 7. Effient. 8. Effient. 9. Effient. 10. Effient. 11. Effient. 12. Effient. 13. Effient. 14. Effient. 15. Effient. 16. Effient. 17. Effient. 18. Effient. 19. Effient. 20. Effient. 21. Effient. 22. Effient. 23. Effient. 24. Effient. 25. Effient. 26. Effient. 27. Effient. 28. Effient. 29. Effient. 30. Effient. 31. Effient. 32. Effient. 33. Effient. 34. Effient. 35. Effient. 36. Effient. 37. Effient. 38. Effient. 39. Effient. 40. Effient. 41. Effient. 42. Effient. 43. Effient. 44. Effient. 45. Effient. 46. Effient. 47. Effient. 48. Effient. 49. Effient. 50. Effient. 51. Effient. 52. Effient. 53. So thank you for listening, and I hope this advice will be helpful to you.